No, now Zoom is telling me that the maximum length of the session is 40 minutes. That's why. But anyway, it's working. We're waiting for Max.
Yeah.
Yes,
I'm sharing.
Back. Yeah. So, could you please share your screen, Parina,
Yeah.
so you can show us?
Host disable participant screen sharing.
Yes, try now.
Yeah.
So sort the student according to their highest scores. So we should get a list of students that start with Parina's, because Parina's has 100, so it should start with 100. So what should we do?
Select it.
By the way, you don't need to select them. You don't need. Just one cell is enough. Yes. Sort.
Yeah.
Yeah, change now. Now it understands that it has already a criteria. We have to change it.
Yeah.
You can delete them. Yeah.
And
sort by score.
Score.
Largest to smallest.
Largest to smallest.
No. Wait a minute. Yes, very good. But now you have to have another level to tell them that if there's two students with the same grade, then alphabetically according to the first name.
Yeah.
Or according to the country, maybe, if you like.
Yeah. We add level.
You add level.
From first name. For example. And A to Z.
Yes, it's okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. So what we have here, can you try to explain the data a little bit?
Yeah, it's a Parina's from Iran. Is have a score, largest score. Or Christina Norman from Sweden has a 55 score. Is the smallest.
Yeah. Can you see two person here? They have the same grade, they have the same score?
Yeah. Nikita Ali or Manar Wassouf?
No, Max and Nikita, I think.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Yeah.
Max and Nikita.
Yeah.
And their first name sorted by A to Z.
Exactly. Is it clear, Max?
Yes, let me do it because my own is not, so let me share.
Yes.
Can I share?
Could you please stop sharing, Karina?
Yes.
Can you see now?
Yes.
So I'll just go to sortera. And then first name to last name.
We want to sort according to the score.
And then I have to come here.
No. The first is a score. And if two students have the same score, in this case, we want to have exactly.
Okay. And then
wait a minute, Max. As you can see here, on the score, you choose ordna menstatil stoshta, but we want the student with the highest grade.
Okay, great.
Exactly. And then?
First name.
Exactly. We want it to be atil.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
You have them now.
Thank you.
We are same file now.
Yes, exactly. That's why I said maybe it's better if we did the same file all together, so it will be easier to. Would you please, if you like, you can take a break 5 minutes. and then we come back to continue the, we will finish. Now, sorting should be clear to you, like how you can do the sorting based on the country, based on the mobile, not sort based on the mobile, it has no meaning. Based on the country, based on the full name, last name, first name, the scores, okay? So, or how to add two together, okay? It should be clear now to you. Now we will move to the next function after 5 minutes break. Is it okay?
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Could you please, Max, stop share your screen?
Okay.
Stop sharing your screen. Yes. Yes. I will keep my camera open. If you like, you can close your cameras. Yes. So count the number of females. Count the number of females. So we are considering this table. There is one function called, in English, called count. Okay, but this count if means count with condition. Okay, so count if in English, but in Swedish it is, what is the name? I forget the name. Antal.om, I think. Antal.om, I think. Yes, this is the one. Exactly, this is the one. So antal.om, or Countif in English, we want to highlight the range. We are considering this range from F14 till from F4 till F14. And then we will put now the condition. The condition, we want it to be the word between two quotation, female. So this means, give me the number of cells that has the value of female. Is it 6, really? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Hello, you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah.
We repeat it. What we have done is equal antal means count. Antal.om means if. So look here what's mentioned. Räknar mean count. Antalet, a number of cells som motsvarar givet villkor i ett område. This means give me the number of cells which is according to a specific villkor means condition in an area. So the area, now the område means is the range. So we are considering this range. Okay? And then semi-comma. And the villkor. Villkor is in the two brackets, the two quotation. We want it to be female. So give me all the cells that has the value female. And these two quotation is very important. Then it's 6. Now, can you make it, Max, for me for the number of males?
Okay.
I'll stop share.
So put antal.om.
Can you share your screen first?
Okay. Can you see now?
Yes.
Antal.om, this one, right?
Yes. Double click. Omrode means the range. Which range?
Here.
Yeah, make sure that you started from the beginning.
Oh, so,
Yeah,
yeah,
good.
that's from the beginning.
And then
Then
semicomma.
comma. And then this one,
Quotation, yes.
quotation, female,
Yes.
and then another quotation, 6.
Perfect. Do it for the male.
Okay. Antal.om. And comma.
No. You want the omrode first. You want to choose the range.
Yeah, yes, yes.
Something wrong happened.
Yeah.
You have to.
That's from the beginning. Antal.om. Okay. Male. 5.
Perfect. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay, stop sharing. We move to Parina's now. Yes, Parina's. Count the number of students who come from Sweden.
Yes.
So we want to go back now to choose which column should we choose now?
Country.
Country. Good. Exactly.
Count if we choose this one area here. Sweden. Is it right?
Yes.
We close it and enter. 5.
Yes. It's really 5. We have 5 students.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
Very good. That's excellent. Count the number of students whose scores are above 70.
I'm not sure about that.
Can you try?
Yeah. Count if here.
Yeah.
I think we can write minimum max 17.
No, or you can write. It's the logic is good. but what you can do is you can use the keyboard.
Yeah.
First use quotation, and you can use the larger than and equal from the keyboard. You know where is it? On the keyboard down.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah. Large. This is smaller. Yes. Wait a minute.
Then.
Yes.
Therefore, it's not working.
It's not working.
No.
Let me try from my side. Maybe just delete the quotation. Delete the quotation and try.
No.
Not working. Let me try from my side. Please stop sharing. Okay. You can see it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're talking about scores. And then it should be larger or equal 70. It's working here. See the formula. The formula, it's 9 students. So we have 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is larger than 70. So we have 1, 2, 3, large or equal. So it takes just larger. It did not take equal. So 65. How many students we have? 11, right? Is equal or so 6? Yes, that's right. We have 65 and 55 below 70. So the total is 9. Yeah. So we will be back to you to see what's the problem with you, Parinas.
I think it's my keyboards have a problem because
the keyboard.
some keys is not working, I think.
So you don't have physical keyboard?
Yeah, in my keyboard I have, but I have another one. I try to do it with them.
Can you share your screen?
Yeah.
Or but it's working. I mean, maybe we can.
It's working. I got the formula, but I have just problem on the keyboard, but I got it.
Okay, Max, I'll stop share my screen. Can you do it from your side?
Okay. So what is it called again?
Antal.om.
Antal.om. Then
Yes, this one. You stop sharing. Can you share again?
I stop sharing.
You did.
Oh.
Share again, please.
Like I have to log in again.
No, close it. Close it. We can see you. We can see your screen. It's again.
Yeah, I find it.
Are you seeing me?
Yes, we can see you. Yes. Close this. Close the X from X. You don't need it.
Okay.
He's out.
I find it, Manar. But I think
he's out.
yes. Here, see the formula here.
Exactly. Yeah, it works now.
Now I
Very good.
choose this keyboard. Here, these two keys is for max or minimum.
Very good.
I used from this. This is not okay.
Much better. Okay, good.
Yeah.
I'm here now.
Yeah.
I stop sharing.
Okay, good. Yes, Max. The point is, we focused this time on, I'll share. What we did is we focused on 3 things: the type of the data, how we can choose the way the data look, and then the merge, which is concatenate in English, or Sammanfoga. Names, sort the name, how we sort the names based on different criteria, and how we count the, like the teacher in this case knows how many students fail, how many students have above 80, for example, how many students from Sweden, how many students she can count or he can count, as according to different criteria. In Excel, there are too many functions, and we don't, of course, go through all the functions, but we will use the most important functions. Next week, our next session, you can choose whenever you want to be. It can be on Monday if you like. We will work on something called data verification. Like, for example, now I will show you what's going on. Like, you see my screen now?
Yeah.
Okay. Like, if you and I and he working on the same file, and I will limit the cases of failure. For example, I know that the scores should be between 0 and 100 maximum. So if I entered here, for example, if I entered 110, it will not prevent me. It will not tell anything. So what can I do to limit the number of mistakes? In this case, we can do something called data verification that control a little bit, like in this case, 110. If I add data verification, it will directly inform me, hey, please enter a value between 0 and 100. And it will stop me. It will not allow me to enter any value. So in this case, we keep the consistency. We keep the data as accurate as possible. Like, for example, if you are entering a phone number, and their phone number should be 10 digits, okay? So that we can tell the Excel that please add a data verification that verifies that any mobile number we add should be minimum or exactly 10 digits. So by this case, if you by mistake add extra digit, it will tell you, please enter a 10-digit number. So this, yeah. And for example, the gender should be either male or female. So you can get a lista, a drop-down list. You will choose either male or female. So next session, we're going to work on the data verification, and we will work on the same file, this file.
Okay.
Okay. So I think this is enough for today. Do you have any questions?
I would like to do that that last one.
Ah, yeah, sure.
Yes.
Would you like to
Can I-
share your screen? I will
Yeah.
stop share mine.
Antal.om. And then
The range.
the range.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Let's go. No.
Semicolon first.
You will
just
highlight the table.
Yeah,
the column.
yes. I'm always quick.
Good.
And then
Semicomma. Nay, semicomma.
and then greater. That's yeah.
Larger. This is smaller. Larger or equal. Yes.
70. And then 9.
Perfect.
Thank
Great.
you.
good job, Max.
Thank
Good
you.
job, Max.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's great. So I will send you now a link of the first 2 sessions on YouTube.
Yeah.
So you can have a look on it. I uploaded the first one already, and the second one I'm uploading now. So you will get it now. Once I have it, I will send you on WhatsApp, so you have them together, the first and second session, and I will upload this session also, and I will send you the link. Okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. If you have any question, please. You always forget the range.
Yeah. I'm always quick.
Yeah. So
when is the
have any
next
question?
session?
This session will end after 1 minute. So because now I don't know why Zoom is limiting me to 40 minutes.
Yeah. Please inform me when is the next session for
You want it to be on Monday?
Yeah, Monday is okay for me, but Thursday I have some work in Migrationsverket.
Okay, Monday, Maxwell.
Okay, good.
That's good. Monday 11 or 11. It will be 11:30 because we have a meeting every Monday at 10.
Okay.
Is it okay? So 11:30.
Okay.
Then see you.
See you.
See you.
Okay.
Tack för idag.
Thank you very much.
I do. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Detsamma. Hej.